In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily clear your recently viewed items on eBay. This can be quite handy if you want to tidy up your account or start fresh without clutter from your past browsing history. Let's dive right in to make your eBay experience smoother and more organized. First, we're going to start by opening up your web browser and heading over to eBay's main page. Just type in ebay.com or click the bookmark if you have it saved, and you'll find yourself on the familiar homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to glance around. It's a good idea to spot any updates or new features that might enhance your browsing in the future. But for now, let's focus on the task at hand. Now, after you're on the home page, it's time to make your way to the upper right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the My eBay section. It's your personal hub when it comes to managing your eBay activities, from bidding on that perfect item to checking out your purchase history. Click on My eBay and you'll see a drop-down menu appearing with several options. We're interested in Recently Viewed. It's right there, and clicking it will take you to a new page dedicated solely to the items you've viewed recently on eBay. If you're a frequent eBay visitor, this list can grow quite quickly. Now that you're in the Recently Viewed section, take a moment to appreciate the items that caught your eye. Once you're ready to clear these items and start fresh, you'll notice an option to Clear All. This is the function that will wipe the slate clean, so to speak. Click on Clear All, confirming that you want to clear your recently viewed items list. And that's pretty much it. You're done. You've successfully removed all the clutter from your recently viewed list on eBay. This simple act can help you keep track of only the items that truly interest you in the future, without the distraction of items that are no longer relevant. Feel free to repeat this process whenever your recently viewed list starts to feel a bit too full. As an additional tip, remember that keeping your eBay activity organized doesn't just stop here. Consider keeping your watch list and other eBay-associated lists in check, so everything is always ready for your browsing experience. Thanks for following along with this simple eBay maintenance guide. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your online experience. Happy shopping, and until next time, take care.